So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make clothing on Roblox. So first of all, go to Chrome browser and go to official website of Roblox, which is roblox.com. Just go to this website. Once you here guys, make sure you enable the desktop site mode on mobiles to access the studio, Roblox studio on mobile. Now tap on create tab. Once you here to create a shirt or clothes, just tap on avatar items, and now you can create t-shirts, shirt, pant on uh, Roblox here. So if you want to create a shirt, t-shirts, we need to upload the asset, and here we have to upload the image of the t-shirt. So I'm gonna so first of all, upload the image on it. So I have already uploaded the image here, so this image will be printed on my t-shirt. So now I'm gonna name this t-shirt like Christmas, and you can type the description here. Once you're done with all these formalities, just tap on the upload option. So once it is set, you can see that the t-shirt has been added, and with the Christmas tree, just tap on it, and you can turn on for the sale as well, and you can set the price here. So I'm gonna set it at 10 robux and just save the changes. Okay, I don't have a font, so I'm gonna keep. So it is saying that you don't have funds to sell this t-shirt, so I must have 10 robux. So right now I have don't have a robux. So if you have a 10 robux, then uh, you can sell this t-shirt. So just enter the price, and just tap on the save changes if you have robux. So back to configure, or I'm gonna cancel this configure since I have no robux. So yeah, that's how you can configure the t-shirt. And if you want to create shirt, again, if you want to create shirts, you have to upload image, and in image guys, you have to basically uh, download the template of the image. So just type roblox shirt template and download this shirt template. So I'm gonna download this template and make my own shirt with my print. So to create your shirt, just go to any editor and import the image. Now you have to design your shirt. So this is a shirt, and this is our front side, fine, and this is our left arm, this is our right arm, fine, and this is our upside, or this is our downside, and this is our back, this is our front, fine, and this is left and right and up and down. So just so you can see that the shirt will actually look like this if you upload this. So you can change this template according to your requirement. So I'm gonna upload some image from here. So I'm gonna take some image, and now you have to set this image like this. Now once you're done with this template, now you can go back to roblox website and upload the image, and name the shirt, and now you need 10 robux to upload this image. So if you have 10 robux, you can tap on the upload button and create your shirt. And if you want to create a pant, in the same way you can create pant as well. In the same way guys, you can upload the pant template in upload section, and name the pant, and give the description for the pant, and tap on upload button. But in this case also you should have a robux. So you will require robux for uploading the pant as well. So the main thing that you should have robux to create any clothes on on roblox. So but in t-shirt guys, we can create the clothes but cannot set for the sale. So that is the thing we can do. But you can see I created the t-shirt here with the uh, christmas print. So that's how you can create. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.